All right, everybody. So the other night we finally got this thing running. Just want to give a little intro before the video. Been working on this for a little over a year now. Did a complete tear down. If you guys haven't seen any of my other videos, please check them out on YouTube. I'm doing this to try and learn through your comments and things like that, and then also hopefully it'll be useful to somebody else that might be looking into doing anything like this. So please be kind. I've never done anything like this before in terms of a restoration or videos. My videos aren't spectacular, but hope it to be kind of a window of opportunity to talk with some of you guys, get your knowledge, and try and help others. So without further ado, here's a startup video from the other night. So there you have it, folks. Still got a good ways to go here, but hearing that thing run certainly helps out a lot. Still got tuning and things like that to go. I know I don't have the air cleaner assembly on. That's obviously coming next, but hopefully I'm waiting for the warm weather here. It's finally broke. We'll get the wheels painted so I can get this thing rolling and start working on the hood and body work and things like that. But still many steps to go, but you know, big milestone for me. I'm excited, and yeah, hope to see some comments from you guys, and thanks for viewing the video.